Imagine a world where money moves like waves, where the ebb and flow of global economies converge in a dance of numbers. Welcome to the world of Forex Trading, a realm where currencies are the stars of the show. Forex Trading, or foreign exchange trading, is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies against one another. It's the largest financial market in the world, with trades amounting to more than $5 trillion every single day. Consider the dollar, the yen, the euro, each its own tale to tell. Their worth fluctuates based on economic factors like inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical events. As a trader, your goal is to predict these movements, buying when a currency's value is low and selling when it's high. It's a game of anticipation, patience, and strategy. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start with understanding the Create a Trading Plan and practice with virtual money. The world of Forex trading is vast and complex, but don't be daunted. With knowledge, discipline, and a dash of daring, you too can ride the waves of the world's currencies. Welcome to the dynamic world of Forex trading. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information about the world of Forex. Stay tuned for more.